Assalamualaikum, salam hormat, salam sejahtera. Today, my assistant will actually help me to unbox the new iPad Pro 11-inch M4. Okay, go ahead. Okay.
Do you want me to take this off as well?
Yep.
Right.
So you got the iPad 11-inch with the black color. See your reflection. Okay. Okay, take it out.
Yep. Nothing here. Oh, I think this is the manual.
Yeah, just show open.
Right.
Okay, open up.
There's English and also Chinese on this side as well.
Okay. Show the charger and the cable.
Charger first.
Tak payah open lah, leave it.
Alright.
Put it on the side. Cable.
And this
USB-C to
the
USB-C.
cable.
Okay,
You
that's
want
it.
me to open it? Alright.
Take the iPad back. Put it on.
Then put it on top.
So, there's nothing much. Just the iPad itself.
The other side.
And the cable and the charger. That's it. So, thank you for watching.